Namaste. Welcome to Santhiyoga family. I am Karishma and today we are going to learn about Bhujangasana, which is also known as Cobra Pose. But before that, it is very important to understand contraindication of this asana. So the people, those are suffering from peptic ulcer, hernia, intestinal tuberculosis and hypothyroidism, you should avoid this asana. Also, those who have a serious back injury and wrist injury or carpal tunnel syndrome, they should avoid this asana. Okay. And benefit of this asanas are it gives flexibility to your spine, strengthen your back muscles, remove the pain from your back and loins, and also it improves your respiratory function. So let me tell you how to perform this asana. First, you have to lie down on your mat on a prone position or on a stomach. First, you have to lie down slowly. Keep your leg together and keep your chest on your mat properly. Now, bring your hand under your chest and elbow close to your body. Make sure your legs are together. Make sure your legs are together. And then while inhaling, slowly lift your chin up first and then slowly lift your chest up. You have to lift only up to your navel point. And then hold. Hold this. So while holding, do not hold your breath. You can do normal breathing. Do not spread your elbow like this. You should be close to your body. Just relax. Do not give much pressure on your hand. And while exhaling, slowly go down and relax. And then you can relax in child pose.